Hello and welcome to the Eden Valley. I'm in the gorgeous village of Lazonby today, looking at this property. It's reversed accommodation, 4 bedrooms, great big kitchen diner, beautiful living room. Appliances in the kitchen are awesome as well. Really nice high gloss grey. It's got a couple of parking spaces at the front, and I'm out on the sun terrace at the back, just overlooking the village. And the village, as you know, has got so much going on. We've got a train station on the Carlisle Settle line, there's a primary school, open air heated swimming pool, a couple of pubs, chip shop on a van comes on a Wednesday. There's also a huge supermarket, a co-op with a post office and things in there as well. So fabulous location. We're about 4 miles to Armouthwaite that way. We're about 5-6 miles-ish to Penrith on the other side. So let me spin this round. I'll show you where it sits in the village and then we'll go inside. So this is the street scene that takes us up to Penrith. And down here we have the railway station, there's the church, the pub, the shop, swimming pool and the school. And this is the property that we've come to see. So in we go. Nice big entrance hallway. Got a gorgeous floor in here. Really nice. So first room we come to, through the French doors, there's this beautiful kitchen. And look at that. So many cupboards and cabinets in that really cool high gloss grey. Chef's dream. Got all those gas hobs. All the modern appliances. It's very cool. And tons of space for table and chairs and cabinets. We've got a dock bed there. We've got Bosch appliances here as well. Some really nice kit. And a Juliet balcony. And then around we go and we've got the toilet. It's very useful. Next, a bit of a multi-purpose room really. This is a fabulous and quite massive bedroom, or it could be another sitting room, lounge, whatever you want to use it for, but a really big space. And then we'll scroll around, we'll go up the stairs. So we've got a nice big landing up here. Again, we've got that gorgeous wooden floor running right through here. And there's your landing. And then again, through a couple of French doors, views to the fells out here. And we've got the living room, which again is huge. But on a clear day, we're looking right at the Pennines over there. And then along we go. And we've got this next double bedroom, used as an office at the moment. And along to the next bedroom, again, really generous size rooms, all big double bedrooms. And then we'll come into the bathroom. So we've got a P-shaped bath with the power shower over. Some storage on my shoulder there, and then another bedroom. And this one's got a nice door that takes us outside. So we've got an alley that runs down to the road. We'll come around here and we've got this super private sun trap at the back. It's very cool. And on multiple levels we've got the spiral staircase that takes us up. And then we've got this lovely sun deck up here. And from here you've got a great view of the village. Okay, so there we are. If you want to come and see this absolutely stunning property in Lazonby, then please give the Penrith office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.